What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we are cooking eggs, comprehensible input edition. But we have some more ingredients today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. Remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. All right, first ingredient that we have for today, we have 10 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. We have prosciutto. This is like, I think this is like a ham, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure the exact, like, what it's made out of, but it kind of tastes like deli meat, like a ham type bacon. I'm gonna cook this after I cook the eggs because I think these cook very fast because they're very thin. They're not thick, they're thin. Boom. I have some bread. I had a half of one of the breads and it's really good. So I have a half of a bread. I'm gonna have the rest of the bread. Had half, gonna have the rest of it. Salt. I think these salt grains are kind of big, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Only a little bit. For the drink, I'm doing a protein shake. That's for the drink. To drink. I also have some cottage cheese that I'll put on the side. Maybe I'll put it in the eggs. I don't know yet. I'm gonna put it in the eggs. I'm gonna cook it with the eggs. We have butter that we're gonna use to cook with the eggs. Butter. And yeah, that's all the ingredients. So let's get started. All right. Here is our pan that we're gonna use to cook the eggs and the prosciutto. What is that? It's a fly. Ah! Get away. This is our spatula that we're gonna use to mix our eggs, flip our eggs, and move around the prosciutto as well. First thing that we're gonna do, here's some butter. We are going to open the butter. I used some of it already for the bread. We're going to open the butter and we're gonna eat it. No, we're not doing that. We are going to take some butter out of the package, put the butter on the pan, and we're gonna mix around the butter so it can get all around the pan because the eggs are gonna be all around the pan, so we don't want it to stick. Okay, now the pan has all the butter that we're gonna need. I spread around the butter, so now it's all over the pan. Put the butter back for now. Now, we're gonna open the eggs. Now, we're gonna open the eggs. All 10 eggs are here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's crack the first one together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Gonna open it. I'll see you guys after I'm done cracking all these eggs. All right, now we have the eggs cooking. I'm mixing them while they're cooking so they cook evenly for the most part. As you can see, it's cooking right now and it's cooking really fast. So I have to stay alert and keep moving the eggs around so there's no stick to the pan. As you can see, there's a little stick. I need to actually put you down. Let me cook, guys. I'm gonna cook. And also the burner is on really high. So it's happening really fast. It's like I'm scraping. Let me flip. Let me put some, I put it a little too late, but let's go ahead and put some, almost forgot the salt too. No. A little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. I put some of that cottage cheese. I put some of that salt. A little too late, but it's okay. It's better late than never. That's a saying that we have in English. Better late than never. Now the eggs are cooking. Let me get my prosciutto out because the eggs are cooking really fast. Let's go ahead and put the eggs on the plate. Okay, now it's time to cook the prosciutto. We have to open this. And put the prosciutto on the pan. We're gonna take all of it. Taking all of it, and we're gonna lay it down one by one. So you don't have to put butter on the pan or oil on the pan for the prosciutto because it already naturally has fat. And that fat allows it to cook on its own. Trying to lay it down as flat as possible so it could cook. So right now, this is it cooking. Cooking on the pan. So that's a good sign. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna take a bread out the bag. Bread out the bag. This is how the bread looks like. Really good. Just flipping some of the prosciutto now. I have two breads. This is the other half that I was eating earlier. Take some of this. This prosciutto is almost done cooking. Like I said, it cooks fast. Put some butter on the bread. And that's it. It's done cooking. So now, I'm gonna put some prosciutto on the pan next to the egg. The prosciutto is so good. Oh my god. All right. So here is the finished product. As you can see, we have bread. We have eggs, prosciutto. I'm happy with how it came out. But that's all, folks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and eat. If you guys learned anything from this video or simply just enjoyed it, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.